So let's start. Today is the last day of our training. We will cover the following topics. That is paid LinkedIn ads, and after that, YouTube, how it works, and how to create, make an animation video, and after that, how to run YouTube paid ads. Okay. So let's start with LinkedIn first. Any doubts you have of previous sections, please let me know. If there is no doubt, we can go ahead and start. Okay, so I'm going ahead. I believe there is no doubt. So how to advertise, as I have shown you yesterday, you have to click on these 9 dots icon and then click on advertise. It will ask you the basic information for which page you want to run the campaign, then billing address, and basic information. If you want, any one of you can share it. I can guide you, or if you want, I can go ahead and start. Okay, guys, tell me, anyone would like to share his screen and show me or you can do it like you have now set up almost 7-8 different type of ad accounts till now. Now you can set it up on your own as well. Okay, just a very basic setup. How to do it, how to create a campaign is very simple. In LinkedIn, click on go on your campaign account group and then click on create a campaign. When you click on create a campaign, like Facebook, like Google AdWords, it has a similar option of picking up what kind of campaign you want to run. You want to run a brand awareness campaign. You want to run a consideration campaign in which you can send people to your website, engage with your post, okay, or get video views to watch people watch your videos. And after that, the conversion campaign is lead generation campaign, lead capturing on LinkedIn itself. Okay, like Facebook, LinkedIn also has its own form. So user doesn't have to go to your website to fill up a form. You can get it fill up over here itself. Okay, next is website conversions. Website conversions over here again. For that, user has to go to your website. This is primarily again for e-commerce website, and some of the B2B companies also run it. The last one is job applicants, primarily to promote the jobs. Okay, by mistake I have selected this. I will not select this. I will select this because most of the user doesn't want that they should capture the lead within the platform itself. What is the advantage of it? That user doesn't have to go know about whatever information you have given. If he's interested, he can fill it up in the early stage itself. Okay, so that the chances of drop off and the conversion rate lower, the lesser the step, the higher is the conversion rate. So that's why people prefer this type of campaign. There is also a disadvantage. The intent of the users when they fill up a form over here, the intentions are not very strong. Okay, that is also a profit and loss statement. But as a marketer, it's good for you, and as a business owner, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So you have to run both type of campaign where you drive traffic to your website, one campaign with the same audience on the platform itself, whichever gives you higher conversion rate, you can continue that. After that, the crux. Till this point, everything is clear, guys? Any questions? Anything you want to ask?
Jatin, I'm sorry, I've joined a bit late.
Yeah.
You have to go on create ad, right?
Yeah.
And then it is asking me to associate a linked page with your account. So we have to
Yeah.
give
So you should have a page for which you want to run the campaign.
a link.
Sorry, your voice is cracking. Hello?
Okay. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Am I clear?
Better
Hello?
now. Yeah, it's better now.
So basically, which page I should post here? My individual page or the business page?
The business page.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. After that, it will ask you the basic pre-form details that you want to do billing in INR, and the country location is this, time zone is this. Say yes, 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 and you will be reaching here. Okay. After that, the crux of how should I say, of this LinkedIn marketing is the targeting. The targeting in LinkedIn is very specific, and you can reach to very niche audience and very authentic audience. Okay, the lot of people update in Facebook, Instagram that they are founder. Most of them are not. Okay, they found, they say they are working at Facebook. They are generally are a group admin of some page, or they are doing stuff like that. Okay, most of them are not. But whereas in LinkedIn, people generally put almost 99, 95% information correct. So here the targeting is not very casual. Here the targeting is very specific. And you can reach to your real audience. For example, like let's assume the case of Aditya. Aditya wants to run a campaign where he wants to target people who are, although his product is not like that, where he can really sell the product, because there should be a need from the other end. Then only he can provide solutions. He can't provide a solution to somebody who's not looking for it, because somebody should have bought the home, then only he should, or he's in the process of buying a home, then only he should be providing a home loan. Okay. Otherwise, there is no point sending people messages that take a home loan. If nobody is buying a home, then who will take a home loan? Okay, but everyone almost in India who's earning more than 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh plus every year is having a loan. Either it's an education loan, it's a car loan, it's a house loan, or personal loan, or XYZ loan. Most of them have home loans for sure. So what he can do is he can target all those people and ask one of his products that says transfer your home loan to lower price kind of a product. Okay. So how he can target that? He has to identify top people in the industry who have a good amount of loans, so that his profit margins are really good. He should not be targeting people who has a salary bracket of less than 10 lakh rupees, because their loan taking capacity would be 30, 40 lakh rupees. But somebody who's a salary bracket of 30 plus lakh rupees, his loan taking capacity is up to 3 CR. Okay. And that in that manner, what happened is his profit margins are high. I hope I'm saying correct about your business. Okay, so how he can direct, he can target people by their job experience. Somebody who is getting that much salary must be, sorry, he must be having at least 5 years of experience, correct? So you see the audience size. He can target people all over India. He can target people in just Delhi NCR. Let's say he wants to target people in Delhi NCR. So he will target Delhi NCR, Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida, Gautam Budh Nagar, I believe, Gurugram.
Here we can exclude India in that case.
We will exclude for sure. Noida, Faridabad, Okay, so now he is targeting almost 18 lakh people who have an experience of 5+ years. Maybe he can add more attribute, narrow. Okay, like who has an experience of 5+ years and whose job title is manager. Okay, generally a manager or a director. Okay, he can target those people: manager, project manager, sales manager, general manager, managing directors, senior. Okay, not account, operation manager, marketing manager, brand manager, human resource manager, product manager. Okay, the top positions: senior manager, finance manager, senior project manager. Okay, all those positions which have may have money: founders, co-founders, associate founders, managing directors. Okay, he can target a lot of